Assistant housekeeper. The assistant housekeeper supports the executive housekeeper in managing daily operation and supervise staff. In further detail, assist in scheduling and assigning housekeeping tasks to staff, conduct regular inspection of rooms and public areas to maintain cleanliness, monitors inventory of cleaning supplies and linen and ensure timely replenishment, train and supervise housekeeping staff, coordinates with maintenance for repairs and updates, handles escalated guest issue and assure quick resolution. Floor supervisor. The floor supervisor oversees housekeeping activities on assigned floors and ensure rooms are clean and ready for guest use. In finer detail, inspect guest rooms and ensure they meet cleanliness and setup standards, supervise room attendants and provide feedback of their performance, coordinates with front office for rooms availability and status update, ensure cleaning supplies and linen are stocked and assigned floors, report maintenance issue to engineering department. In the next video, I will detail the position of public area supervisor and room attendant, housekeeping attendant.